Hi friends, my name is Edward. Today we're going to learn a simple trick to learn 3 times table. Let's divide the 3 times table into 3 groups as shown on the board. Let's write 0 in the first group, 1 in the second group, and 2 in the third group. Now let us write numbers from 1 to 9 in these groups. Now our 3 times table is ready. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you with another video.